In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a hyperlink in Bluebeam. So the first thing you want to do here inside your drawing, you want to go ahead and first basically create some text or some object or something where you want to actually put the hyperlink on. So I usually like to do this just to know where the hyperlink is. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to place in a text box and I'm literally going to call it hyperlink. Okay, there we go. And I'm going to make this a bit bigger so we can see a bit better. Okay, like this, that's fine. And then what you want to do over here is you simply want to go to up top where it says tools, click on it, and then click on hyperlink. And after that, as you can see, it will say highlight text, choose 2 points, or drag to select a rectangle. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just select a rectangle like this. And there we go, it's going to pop up this action menu. Now here, you can select where you want to jump to with the hyperlink. You can jump to, you can go to a page, you could go to a place, you could go to a space, you could open up a hyperlink, or you can open up a specific, for example, file or folder, okay? We're just going to do page over here, and we're going to jump over to page number 3, which we have over here down at the bottom. You can see we have 3 pages. And now from here, I'm just going to click on OK. And as you can see, it's been created. I can now click escape on this. And whenever I now click on this, as you can see, I now jumped on the 3rd page. So you can just hover over it. It's going to show this kind of different looking mouse cursor, which is like a finger. And you can click on that and it's going to trigger that hyperlink. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.